Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I'll be doing a full face makeup tutorial. So first I'll be going in with my spoolie and I'm going to brush out my eyebrows, and second I'll be going in with my David's number 18 eye pencil, and I'm just going to draw that in. Next, I'll be using my LA Girl Pro Concealer to define my brow, clean off the excess. Then I'll go over it again and take it a little bit inside just to make sure that my brow bone is well defined, just to bring that brow bone out to make it more beautiful. Those are the areas I'm going to be highlighting later, so you need them to really pop out, so I have to go into it and bring them out. Then later I'll be going in with my foundation to clean up the top and clean up the excess, just to make it look very neat. I'll be using my Gorgeous Me eyeshadow palette, and today I'll be using the brown color and the orange color. So first I'm going to go in with the brown color around my eyelid area. I'm going to pack that in and blend, going into the inner corner of my eyes and to the outer color of my eyes, and on top of it I'll be using the orange color around my crease. Next guys, I'll be going in with my eyeliner to line my eyelid area. So next guys, I'll be going in with my Fit Me foundation. I'm just going to rub that all over my face, around my cheekbones, around my cheeks, around my forehead, my nose, underneath my chin. I'll just rub that everywhere and take on my brush and blend. be wearing my eyelashes. I'll just put that in. So next I'll be going in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer, 2 shades lighter than my skin color. I'll just apply that under my eye and on top of my nose bridge. I'll do that on my forehead, on my chin, and I'll just blend it in. Next, I'll be going in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer, 2 shades darker than my skin tone, and I'll just rub it at the side, apply that at the side of my, underneath my cheekbones, on the side of my head, on the side of my nose. Sorry guys, I didn't show that on this video, but I actually did that off cam. Next guys, I'll be going in with my powder. It's 2 shades lighter than my skin tone. I'm just going to press it into those areas that I've highlighted. I'm just going to take that in. I'm not using a translucent powder, but if you want to use that, you can go ahead and do so. But for me, I'll just use the powder. So guys, I'll be doing the same. I'll go in with my darker shade powder and I'll just apply it in those areas that I've contoured. I'm just going to rub that. Guys, I'll be going in with my blush. I'm just going to blush those areas on top of my cheeks. Guys, next this is my favorite part. I like to go in with my highlighting dust glue, and I'm just going to apply that around my cheeks. So guys, for today's lipstick, I'll be doing something a little bit weird. I don't have the color that I want for this look, so I'll be going in with my eyeshadow, my brown color eyeshadow, guys. And I'm just going to tap that into my lips to give me the kind of look that I want. Call it crazy, I don't care. Guys, that is the end of today's video. If you like this video, please click the like button. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comment section below, and please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys again in my next video. Bye bye.